Ever wondered about the surprising benefits of drinking oregano tea every day? When you drink oregano tea daily, a multitude of benefits unfold, extending far beyond its typical use as a culinary herb. Did you know that beyond its role in seasoning food, oregano harbors properties that extend to skin care, hair care, and overall health improvement? Intriguingly, a simple cup of oregano tea can potentially aid in weight loss, diabetes control, and even cancer prevention. Delve deeper into the remarkable advantages of incorporating oregano into your daily routine, and uncover how this humble herb can become a potent elixir for wellness. Oregano, a cherished ingredient in global cuisine, finds its roots deeply embedded in the culinary traditions of Greece. Renowned for its ability to elevate the flavors of pasta dishes, pizzas, and an array of savory recipes, oregano holds a place of honor in kitchens worldwide. Yet, its significance transcends mere gustatory pleasures. Historically, oregano was revered for its medicinal properties, dating back to the Middle Ages. From magical practices for good luck to therapeutic applications in treating infections and earaches, oregano's versatility has been celebrated across generations. But what elevates oregano beyond its culinary and historical acclaim? Beyond its aromatic allure lies a powerhouse of nutrition waiting to be discovered. Rich in essential vitamins such as A, E, and K, oregano offers a bounty of essential minerals including zinc, iron, magnesium, calcium, and potassium. However, it's the presence of potent compounds like carvacrol that truly sets oregano apart in the realm of herbal remedies. Carvacrol, abundant in oregano, boasts detoxifying properties that not only foster digestive health, but also lend support to weight management endeavors. If you're eager to savor these benefits in a delicious and unique manner, let's unravel the secrets of oregano tea. Oregano tea, derived from steeping oregano leaves, emerges as more than just a flavorful beverage. Its preparation unleashes a treasure trove of nutrients, making it a potent elixir for overall wellness. Beyond its simple preparation lies a beverage brimming with dietary fiber and essential vitamins, offering a holistic approach to health maintenance. Now, let's embark on a journey to uncover the extraordinary benefits awaiting those who make oregano tea a daily ritual. Number 1. Immune support. The immune system stands as our frontline defense against infections and diseases. Oregano emerges as a potent ally in bolstering these defenses, thanks to its rich reservoir of vitamins A and C, coupled with powerful antioxidants. These constituents work synergistically to fortify the body's immune response, making it more resilient against a myriad of threats, including urinary tract infections. Notably, oregano's antimicrobial properties extend to combating viruses, offering protection against notorious pathogens like the norovirus and the herpes simplex virus. Number 2. Improves skin and hair. Beyond its internal benefits, oregano exerts a transformative influence on external health, serving as a natural cosmetic agent. Laden with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, oregano aids in combating aging by neutralizing free radicals and reducing inflammation. Its application extends to promoting healthier, more youthful skin and stronger, vibrant hair. Notably, oregano tea's antioxidant content surpasses that of an apple by approximately 30 times, making it a potent tool in rejuvenating skin and combating hair loss. Number 3. Menstrual health. For individuals grappling with menstrual discomfort, oregano tea emerges as a natural remedy. Its anti-inflammatory properties not only aid in regulating the menstrual cycle, but also provide relief from associated cramps. Carvacrol, a key component in oregano, exhibits diuretic properties, effectively combating fluid retention, a common premenstrual symptom. By alleviating discomfort and promoting menstrual health, oregano tea proves invaluable in supporting women's wellness. Number 4. Digestion and weight. Oregano tea offers a multifaceted approach to improving digestion and aiding in weight loss endeavors. By enhancing digestive enzyme secretion, oregano tea facilitates the efficient breakdown of food molecules, ensuring optimal nutrient absorption. Moreover, its anti-inflammatory properties, coupled with a high fiber content, contribute to reduced inflammation and prolonged satiety, crucial factors in weight management. Additionally, oregano's role in reducing insulin resistance presents a significant boon for individuals navigating conditions like polycystic ovary syndrome, mitigating symptoms like hair thinning or loss. Number 5 enhances heart health. Regular consumption of oregano tea confers notable benefits on cardiovascular health, owing to its rich nutrient profile. Essential minerals such as calcium, iron, and potassium, alongside antioxidants, contribute to maintaining optimal heart function. Notably, oregano's ability to inhibit certain enzymes involved in glucose metabolism holds promise for blood sugar regulation, a vital aspect of diabetes management. By reducing LDL cholesterol levels and supporting blood circulation, oregano tea emerges as a potent ally in safeguarding heart health. Number 6 respiratory support. For individuals grappling with respiratory conditions like bronchitis and asthma, oregano emerges as a formidable ally. Carvacrol and flavonoids present in oregano act as natural purifiers for the lungs, facilitating the clearance of the respiratory tract and easing coughs. When ingested as tea or incorporated into homemade remedies, oregano's expectorant properties provide relief from an array of respiratory ailments, including persistent coughs and sinusitis. Number 7 cancer prevention. Oregano's rich antioxidant content, featuring compounds like carvacrol and thymol, holds promise in cancer prevention. By neutralizing excess free radicals and reducing cell damage, oregano may impede the growth of cancer cells, contributing to the prevention of various malignancies, including ovarian, prostate, and leukemia. Research conducted on oregano extracts has demonstrated their potential to inhibit the growth and induce the death of cancer cells, underscoring oregano's significance in the realm of oncological health. Number 8 improves bone health. The antioxidant compounds abundant in oregano play a pivotal role in combating free radicals generated during intense physical activities, thereby aiding in muscle recovery. Moreover, oregano's mineral content, featuring manganese, iron, and calcium, proves instrumental in fortifying bone health. Regular consumption of oregano tea not only strengthens bones, but also enhances resistance to injuries, making it particularly beneficial for individuals engaged in rigorous physical routines. While the benefits of oregano tea are undeniably impressive, it's essential to acknowledge potential risks and side effects associated with its consumption. Allergic reactions, albeit rare, can manifest in various forms, ranging from skin irritation to respiratory difficulties. Pregnant women, in particular, are advised to exercise caution due to the risk of miscarriage associated with certain compounds in oregano. Similarly, individuals scheduled for surgery should discontinue oregano consumption beforehand to mitigate the risk of excessive bleeding. Now, let's explore how to prepare oregano tea, transforming this medicinal elixir from a mere concept into a tangible addition to your daily routine. The preparation is straightforward. Whether using fresh or dried oregano leaves, the method remains consistent. Boil a cup of water, add oregano leaves, and let them steep for approximately 5 minutes. Strain the tea and enjoy it warm, optionally enhancing its flavor with natural sweeteners like honey or infusing it with complementary ingredients like cinnamon. By incorporating 2 to 3 cups of oregano tea into your daily regimen, you can reap its myriad benefits and embark on a journey toward holistic wellness. In conclusion, the potential of oregano tea to revolutionize health and well-being cannot be overstated. From strengthening the immune system to combating respiratory ailments and aiding in cancer prevention, oregano's virtues are as diverse as they are profound. By embracing oregano tea as a daily ritual, you're not only indulging in a flavorful beverage, but also nurturing your body and soul. Let the remarkable properties of oregano tea transform your health journey, enriching your life with vitality, resilience, and boundless well-being. Please like and subscribe if you find this video useful, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.